I'm a Statue of Liberty.
Is that good? Okay, let me get May in it. Wait just a minute. Is that good? Is that good? Is that good? Yeah. Kinda. We'll have another bite. Okay, let me get May. Yay! Good job, May.
Do this picture.
Oh, hang on.
Do it. Mom, do this picture.
Pretty good, isn't it? Okay.
Do this picture.
Okay. Taking a bite of what?
Fruit roll up.
Woohoo! Okay. Now what you gonna take a bite of? So this is Millie eating her cereal. She's doing a good job. Whoops. Are you doing a good job today?
Can you see me?
Yeah. Good eating. Not right this minute, I can't. Yeah, that's good. Not too sure about it? Yeah, that's good, isn't it? So give me some more of that stuff. Here.
Oh, get the hair out of me.
Get the what out of you?
Hair out of me.
Oh, all right, do a little performance. Oh, that's it. Oh, got your legs sticking up. Okay, very good, May. Thank you. Good. You gonna try? Yeah. You like that, huh? You trying to figure it out? Yeah. Dear. That's good. That's good, isn't it?